Hi, welcome back to biology class. If you want more, subscribe my channel, right? So let us move on to the topic excretion. And here excretion is a process of disposal of waste. What it is? It's a process of disposal or elimination of waste from our body. So here the waste is accumulated in different forms like nitrogenous substances, salts. So nitrogenous substances includes urea, uric acid, creatine, creatinine, ammonia. So different substances. So all this waste must be eliminated from the body. Otherwise what happened? These toxin substances accumulate in the body and will cause harm to the body. Right? So here how we eliminate the waste? Through excretory system, we eliminate the waste. What this excretory system exactly includes? Right. So this excretory system includes many organs. So it includes eye, it includes lungs, it includes skin. Right. So along with this, one important excretory organ is there. All these are accessory. These eyes, lungs or skin, all these are the accessory excretory organs. Along with this, the major excretory organ is kidneys. Okay, so here first let us see about the major excretory organ, that is kidney. In human excretory system, these kidneys will play a key role in elimination of the major 90% of the waste from our body. Right, so here where these kidneys are located? Do you have any idea regarding this? Yes, like many of you used to tell that the kidneys are located here, back portion. You are right. So here in scientific terminology, it's said to be as the dorsal. Dorsal means back. This is anterior and this is posterior, right? So posterior part is also called as a dorsal. Anterior called as ventral, right? So the dorsal and the back portion. The back portion of lower abdominal cavity. In lower abdominal cavity, kidneys are located. So generally how many kidneys are located, I am saying. So here we have a pair of kidneys, two kidneys. So these two kidneys are exactly located on either side of the spinal cord. On either side of the spinal cord. That is the location of kidney. Right. So next coming to the shape. What is the shape of kidney? Kidney is present in bean shape. Which shape? Bean shape. Kidney is present in the bean shape. You all might have had an idea regarding the bean. Right. So it is present in a bean shape. You can see the bean shaped structure. Right. So here that is the shape of the kidney. And coming to the part of like what this excretory system exactly includes. Excretory system exactly includes a pair of, you see here, it exactly includes a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. A pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters and urinary bladder. The pear-shaped pouch-like structure is urinary bladder. And if you see, the end portion of this urinary bladder is called as urethra. Is called as urethra. And if you all observe, what is the color of kidney? Yes, it is present in red color. The kidneys are present in bright red color. And shape is bean shape. So here, if you see the outer surface of kidney, this margin, the outer surface of kidney is convex in shape. It is convex in shape. The lower surface is concave. So here the lower surface is contained in notch-like structure is called hilus. Right. So here to this hilus, if you observe, like 3 tube-like structures are connected to the hilus. What are those 3 tube-like structure? And if you observe very clearly, see very clearly, one in red color, the other one is in blue color, the other one in straw color, that is light yellow color or pale color. So here the red color tube-like structure, that is blood vessel, which is connected to the kidney, is called as renal artery. It is called as renal artery. Right. So here it is called as renal artery. What is the function of this renal artery? This renal artery will carry the oxygenated blood. It carry what? Oxygenated blood. From where? From the heart to where? To kidney. So it carries the oxygenated blood from heart to kidney. From heart to kidney. That is the function of renal artery. And the other portion, if you observe clearly, that is blue colored, the tube-like structure, the blood vessel, that is called renal vein. You are already aware of arteries and vein. You have, like, you studied in your third lesson, right? So here the function of renal vein, it collects the blood from the kidney. It collects the blood from the kidney and again give back to the heart. That is the function of the renal vein. And this yellow color or straw color, the tube-like structure, what it is? It is ureter. Ureter, which carry the urine from kidney to the urinary bladder. From kidney to the urinary bladder. Right. So these are the 3, the tube-like structures or vessels, pipes connected to the hilus portion of the kidney. Like this, you can term it as hilus or hilus, that is up to you. Right. So here, if you observe very clearly, on top you can see some yellow colored portion, the cap-like structure on kidney. What it is? It is adrenal gland. The yellow color, the cap-like structure which is present on kidney is adrenal gland. This adrenal gland do not have any function with the excretion. It is not involved in the excretion process. Its location is on top of kidney, but it is not involved in the excretion process. Right. See, if you observe, the kidneys are present like this. One is little upper, one is little lower. Right. So which side of the kidney is little lower? Yes, right side of kidney is little lower than the left side of kidney. So why right side of kidney is little lower than the left side of kidney? Because it gives place for the, or it gives space for the liver. To accommodate liver properly, it is little lower than the left kidney. Right. So here the major, what is the major function of these kidneys? Filtration. So here, what is the size of kidney? Size. So the kidney size is 10 to 12 centimeters in length, 5 to 6 centimeters in width, 2 to 4 centimeters in thickness. That is the size of kidney. You can hold it in your hand. You can hold the kidney in your hand. One kidney you can hold in your hand. Very small. It is not very big what I am showing you. It is very small in size. Right. So this kidney is involved in the purification or filtration of the blood and produce the waste. The waste is called urine. That urine is collected by these straw colored structures which are called as ureters. What it is called? Ureters. These ureters will collect the urine from kidneys and it will transfer to urinary bladder. It will transfer to the urinary bladder. Right, this urinary bladder will store the urine for some time, and whenever we feel urge of urination, then through urethra it will be excreted. Right, this is about the external structure of kidney. Right, so regarding internal structure, regarding the structural unit of kidney, let us see in next class. If you want more, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.